Alright guys, so today we're gonna play Project Smash with my little brother. Okay, you done? You done picking? I'm gonna play now. Just play, oh my gosh. Yo, okay, let's team up. Get out of the way. No. Sorry, you good? God damn! Get away from me. I'm sorry. You gotta go. Oh my gosh! Sheesh. Oh my gosh! What happened? You good? Sorry guys. Karma that I needed. No. Okay, I think I deserve this, bro. Sorry, don't get them. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I died. Oh no. Lol. Man. Good. What the hell? Man, oh. Come. Wait. Yes, let's go, y'all. What? Okay. I'm gonna do everything. Oh no. Okay. No. What happened? No, get away from me. You thought I was gonna die? Oh, not today. Oh, man, I got crossed. Man. No. Well, wait. I'm gonna check my fan. Oh my god. Damn. Sheesh. Come in. Bro, I can't manage bro. You guys. guys into space. Guys, I'm so bad at it. What happened? Yay! Oh, wow! Sheesh. Okay. Okay, that's okay, it's okay. Oh, jeez. Me and my brother are literally just teammates. Oh, let's go! Stay back! You good? Oh damn! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my gosh! Bye bye! I'm a bit. What happened? Where are you? Wait. I bet it was somebody else right now. Where are you? I'm at the pumpkin. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? God damn. Okay, come get him. Yo, what's up, Kingdom? Let's go fight, Stay back. You good? No, I died. Man. Oh. Okay, I'm here. Where, bro? Oh, look. Where? Good. Don't you dare be doing what the hell? Okay, I'll take that back. Okay, I think I take that back, bro. And run. A fast kid. Like, run to school. Run. No. She got that bell, huh? Oh, I think I got bullied this one. Man, my battery, bro. You fall? Where are you, bro? Bro. Okay. Oh my gosh. You need to die? Did you die? Okay, so